Before we get into this, let me explain something. We didn't just guess these problems. We talked to real contractors, and we asked them what's actually stopping them from winning federal contracts. And they told us, over and over, the same 17 problems. So we built Sambid, and we fixed every single one of them, right inside our platform. 17 problems, 17 fixes. Let's start with problem number 1, and exactly how we solve it. Here's a question for you. What if a contracting officer puts the wrong NAICS code on a contract? He's human, he makes a mistake. It happens all the time. So what happens to that opportunity now? Think about it. That contract could be worth $4 billion, and it never even shows up in your search. Every single month, roughly 3 to 4% of all posted opportunities get filed under the wrong NAICS code. And every one of them basically goes straight into the trash. Nobody sees them. Nobody bids on them. Gone. So how do we solve this? Here's exactly what Sambid does. We don't trust the NAICS code alone. Every day, our system downloads every single new posting from SAM.gov, with no category filter applied. None. So nothing gets pre-sorted out before we even look at it. Then, separately, we run a second pass, a keyword search, across the actual title and description text, matched against your specific industry terms. So even when the code is wrong, the words inside the posting still get read. If your industry is IT services, we're checking for IT services, cybersecurity, cloud infrastructure, and dozens of related terms, every single day, on every single posting, no matter what code it was filed under. That's how a mislabeled $4 billion contract still lands in your feed, correctly matched, the same day it's posted. No other platform does this double pass.